bark, bark.
Hi, it's Emily, your customer success manager. Here at Brainius, we've done everything we can to make this process as easy as possible for you to use our applets. But we also know we're only human. Brainius isn't just a bunch of robots. So, in acknowledgement of us being human and you being human too, we've done everything possible to ensure you have all the support that you might need. We're going to head over to our landing page so I can show you how and where to get all of that support. We're here on our subscriber homepage, so this is where you land after you log in, and we are going to look at how you get guidance. So you will scroll down from the top of the page. Astro's right here asking you if you need guidance, and we will come back to this portion where it gives you instructions on all the ways you can get help. But below Astro, there are some helpful tips for getting started. There are 3 different videos here that I have created that should help you get started based on the answers to your initial survey. So always come back here if you want to look at just areas that are of interest to you, like brand development, big picture plans, or social media marketing. I will highlight areas where we have helpful applets for those. But back to more general needing guidance, you'll scroll up to where Astro is here. You can always come back to the subscriber homepage to refresh your memory on where to get this help. And we first guide you to look for Astro's paw print. This is in the upper right-hand corner of each applet. So we are going to go into the audio and video action items applet. You will see that over here, Astro's paw is blue and flashing. When you hover over it, it turns orange. If you click Astro's paw, our chat with Astro box comes up. This is our chat bot. You can hover over it and move it. You can expand our chat bot if you would like to see things bigger. And you just type your message in here and hit enter, and Astro will answer any of your questions or your comments. Our Astro bot has been trained on our frequently asked questions, on how to maneuver between different applets. So we have suggestions for which applets to use before and after whichever applet that you're in that you can ask him about. It's also been trained on our examples and tips. You can find the examples and tips over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Here's the examples button. Click on that. Our example for the applet on action items comes up. It has a summary, it has your results, and we also have our example of exactly what our own engineers have put into the different fields to give you a better idea of the kinds of answers we're looking for to generate those high quality results. You can click out with the X, and then over in the bottom right hand again, we have tips. The tips will pop up on the left hand side of the page. You can move the tips as well. These ones don't expand, and you can close out those tips with the X. We're going to close out our chat with Astro. He disappears, the examples and tips disappear with him. We're going to head back to our home page by clicking on our Brainius logo in the top left. And then we're going to scroll down again to our need guidance with Astro as our image. The additional resources we have other than his paw print, which gives you 3-in-1 resources, are Get an Answer. That is located up in the header, the top right corner. You will see up here in orange, Get an Answer. You click on Get an Answer, a new tab pops open. This is our applet that allows you to interface directly with one of our AI models. We've got another video coming up about that, and this is really for a lot of your deep market research. I'm going to close out this tab. We are back to the home page and the need guidance section. And we also ask that you look at our frequently asked questions where we keep a wide range of information. You have a few different ways to get to those frequently asked questions. Up in the top right-hand corner under account, if you hover over that, FAQs is the third option down. You can click that and get into our FAQs. You could scroll to the bottom of your screen at the home page. Here at the bottom right, we've got FAQs, third one in. You can click there and get to frequently asked questions. It is also linked to in this orange button that turns white as you hover over it. I'm going to click there. And you are dropped into our frequently asked questions page. We've got it categorized with general information, Brainiest services, using Brainiest, and terms of use. If reading isn't your favorite thing to do, please always keep in mind you can go into our applets again, call up that chatbot. Our chat with Astro has been trained using the FAQs, so if you don't want to go and read through it yourself, you can always directly ask that question to Astro. He will give you the correct answer that is based on our FAQs. And again, anytime you need to refresh your memory about where all of our support is, go to your subscriber homepage, scroll down to Astro's need guidance, and it's all written there for you.